Hello, this is John with Modern Exterior. I am here in South Milwaukee, Wisconsin, taking a look at some siding for a homeowner here. And today I'm going to discuss briefly some of the options that we have for siding that are both durable and look nice. The main option that the homeowner here is looking at is going to be vinyl. So vinyl is a very cost-effective option that can be very aesthetically pleasing, and it is very durable. It is a petroleum-based product, so it will last pretty much as long as you have it on your house. They currently have it on their garage here. You can typically tell it's vinyl by a smaller exposure like this. Solid corners like that tends to be a sign of vinyl as well. There are some aluminum options that have that, but that is typically what you see in vinyl. Other options include LP. LP is an engineered wood. Hardy is an engineered concrete siding. You also see wood siding still. Some people still install aluminum. Aluminum is falling out of style. It dents pretty easily. You can see this is aluminum and it's dented pretty good there. Really more people are going towards vinyl instead of aluminum, or the premium options of LP or Hardy. This is John, signing off.